I've been dreaming of having a greenhouse for most of my adult life. Check it out! I finally made it happen. When we moved to our house 11 years ago, this tiny, boring shed came with it. Randomly dropped in the corner of our unfinished yard, it sat underutilized until we finished our yard a year or two later. Its most exciting moment, until now, was perhaps this occasion 10 years ago. When we finished the yard, we moved it to the south side of the house, next to where the garden would be, where it sat, underutilized for more years, holding garden supplies, but mostly junk. Then, our friend and neighbors decided to replace the 50-year-old windows in their house. I saw an opportunity and popped the question. Repurposing their windows, upcycling my boring shed? Match made in heaven, right? Yes. Meet Jacqueline, our project supervisor. My daughter and I set to work cleaning it out. Getting there. Holy cow, a lot of crap fits in this space. Dismantling the outside vinyl layer was extremely satisfying. This video isn't a how-to. It was a journey of discovery and learning for me, and I hope inspirational for you. I'm no expert builder, just an eager maker learning as I go. I hope this video inspires you to build, upcycling and recycling materials whenever possible. Dream big, shoot for the stars, and work fast enough to finish before winter sets in.
Wait, aren't the eyes what you need protected?
Oh, the eyes. This is what I really need protected. A friend of mine consulted on the proper way to frame a window. We frequently trade knowledge on skills, mainly building processes and sewing and mending techniques. It's a win-win situation. Meet Pierre, patient, fluffy, lovable grandpa cat. Project Godfather? Did you know you can take an existing door to a doormaker shop and have a window put into it? This discovery saved me so much time, energy, and hassle. This tool, just called a multi-tool, is my new favorite. It sure can take care of business in tight spots. Flex tape isn't necessarily affordable, but it's easy to find at a local hardware store and can be purchased in bite-sized rolls for small projects. I found a couple of used, smaller windows on a local classified page. I needed a narrow window that would open for airflow in the hot summer months. Here's my son, the little guy who skied off the shed, all grown up now, helping me put the big windows in place.
For cute, Noelle, for cute.
Upon further reflection of the airflow situation, I put the other narrow window in as well. Just the right amount of space for another window? Why not? We just made an important discovery. Facing must be installed in substantial contact with an improved ceiling floor. I opted for 1/4-inch plywood for the walls. I figured trying to hang drywall in such a small space would be ridiculous. Should I have borrowed a nail gun? Probably. It might have saved my tennis elbow. Working in this space, I quickly realized it would become an oven in the summer, especially with my cute, vintage, unopenable windows and only 2 smaller opening windows. I found this small attic fan with an adjustable thermostat at Home Depot online, perfect for this small space. I found this board and batten material used online, likely leftovers from a house build. Just what I had in mind for the very small area I needed to cover on the outside. Wondering about the back wall of the shed, the side up against the house? Still vinyl. Shh, don't tell. This is where kitty cats come to scratch their fur.